What's up guys, Shane Starnes here with Droid Monitor X, and with a 4,000 milliamp hour battery, the Galaxy Note 9 should be able to put up ridiculous battery life numbers. But how does the battery actually fare in day-to-day use? I've been tracking my battery usage on the Galaxy Note 9 for the past week, and I'm going to share with you guys my Galaxy Note 9's battery performance. Let's go ahead and get started. This video is sponsored by My Wi-Fi TV. The revolution in IPTV streaming is finally here. With My Wi-Fi TV, you're able to stream more than 8,500 channels to your smartphone or other devices like your Amazon Fire Stick, NVIDIA Shield, desktop, or iPhone or iPad. Of course, it includes all of your favorite cable channels. For just $20 a month, you're able to get access on 2 devices. My Wi-Fi TV is bringing you everything you need to officially divorce the cable company. I'll be sure to leave a link down below so you can get subscribed today. So if it's any indication as to how well the 4,000 milliamp hour battery performs on the Galaxy Note 9, it is already 6:52. It's almost 7 o'clock. I unplugged this phone at about 6:30 a.m. and I still have about 53% left on my battery. In fact, I've been leaving work pretty much every day with more than 50% battery, and that's saying a lot coming from my Galaxy S9, which I would normally have to throw on the charger at about 3 or 4 in the afternoon, as it would already be below 30% at the middle of the afternoon. So already from the Galaxy S9, this is a huge improvement, but I'm going to show you guys some screenshots of my battery usage on the Galaxy Note 9. So Friday, August 24th was the very first day that I kept track of my usage on the Galaxy Note 9. As you can see here at 11:45 p.m., I was still at 28%. I had the phone off the charger for almost 17 hours, and my screen on time was 5 hours and 14 minutes. So at this rate, I would have easily been able to get 6 hours, maybe even 7 hours if there was that much time in the day. As you can see, things are looking great for battery life on this device from day one. Saturday, August 25th was the second day, and I was pretty stoked that I was leaving work at 5 o'clock with 52% battery life left. My phone had been off the charger for 9 hours and 45 minutes, and I had 3.5 hours of screen on time. So at this rate, we would have easily been able to get 7 hours of screen on time. Later on in that same day at 10:30, I still had 19% battery life. My screen was on for 5 hours and 35 minutes, and I had 15 minutes off the charger. On this day, I specifically remember watching the KSI versus Logan Paul fight. Yes, I was suckered into paying $10 for that circus of a match, but you can see here that battery life dropped off significantly. I was streaming over 4G LTE for roughly an hour, so I probably could have got even better battery life on that particular day. But due to the fact that I was streaming a live event, battery life did suffer a little bit. The 26th was a Sunday, and I did have to go to work that day as well. I had 52% at 6:30 when I left work. The phone had been off charge for 11 hours and 30 minutes, and I've got 3 hours and 35 minutes of battery usage. Later on in that day at 11:27 p.m., I was at 21% and about 6.5 hours. So this day I easily could have gone more than 7 hours of screen on time. The 27th was a Monday, but I actually didn't do the battery usage screenshot until the 28th because of this insanity. It was 2:43 in the morning, so 2:43 the next morning, and I still had 23% battery life. Now, I didn't use my phone a ton on that Monday. I only had a screen on time of 4.5 hours, but the phone was off the charger for 20 hours and I still had 23%. So that goes to show that this phone has an incredible Doze mode. If you're not using the phone, then you're going to continue to have power for your phone. You can see here that I actually had 2 hours of YouTube screen on time, so I was streaming video for 2 hours. The phone is just able to last a ridiculously long time. You're easily going to be able to get a full 24 hours of use out of a single charge on the Galaxy Note 9. I could go on and on showing you guys my battery stats, but as you can see here, you're going to average 7+ hours of screen on time with the Note 9 with moderate use, and you're going to be able to get 20+ hours of usage time. In my opinion, this is one of the best performing batteries on any phone in the market right now. The 4,000 milliamp hours really did make a difference. That about wraps it up for this video. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel for more content like this in the future. You can find more of me at droidmonitorx.com. Follow me on Twitter at droidmonitorx. Thanks guys for watching. Be blessed. I will see you in the next one.